Snapfinger material storage, take 35. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is come over to the App Store, click on the App Store. You want to make sure that you have PlanGrid on your phone or on your tablet or whatever you're taking out to the job site. You can come into the App Store, type in PlanGrid, it should pop right up. You can click on it, download it. As you can see, I already have it downloaded. I can go on ahead and open it and get it started. So once you're logged in and once you have your device synced up with what's in the cloud, the front page of PlanGrid should look similar to this, where you have these two different sections you can click on, with the bottom one being Snapfinger material storage. But before we jump into it, we're going to want to adjust one thing on our settings. If you go over to the settings, click on that, you're going to want to scroll down until you get to PlanGrid. Okay, you're going to want to click on PlanGrid. You're going to want to make sure that your location is on. So you're going to click on location. While using the app, that one should be checked. There we go, got that checked. That'll help us out later once we start taking pictures. That'll help tie the location that we took the picture to PlanGrid. It'll make things a whole lot easier. Okay, so you can open the PlanGrid app. You can click on material storage. What's up, man? Click on material storage. You can see there's two sheets in this. The first one being Snapfinger East and the second one being Snapfinger West. Snapfinger East is the MBR, AB, water quality pond, all that stuff out there. Snapfinger West is the job site trailer, dewatering building, all that stuff over here. So the equipment that I'm going to be logging into PlanGrid is over here on Snapfinger West in the building just north of the dewatering building, right over here to the side of it. So I'm going to click on the camera icon over here in the right toolbar, and I'm going to click on where my equipment is located. All right, I'm standing right in front of my piece of equipment. I'm going to click take new photo. Boom, there we go, the louvers for the dewatering building. I'm going to snap that photo and get that logged into PlanGrid. So after that picture's in there, we're going to click on it, go to details in the top right corner, and we're going to give it a proper title. Louvers. There we go, and you can see a GPS location is tied to it. We can go back, and that is done. It is officially in the system. So later on, if you want to find where those louvers are located, we can click on more in the bottom right corner. We can click on photos, and one way of finding it is scrolling through the photos and finding it by the section number that we've identified it as, that 10210 louvers. Or you can click on the map icon in the top right corner of the screen. That'll give you a GPS view of where the louvers are located. And as you can see, I'm the blue dot there on the map, and you can see that I'm standing right next to where those louvers are located. It'll work the same if I took the picture over at the MBR or the dewatering building or whatnot. This will help identify exactly where it is in this map view. And that's the gist of it. There's some added functionalities. If we were on the desktop version, you'd be able to go to photos and you'd actually be able to search photos by the title. But on the mobile version, you're kind of limited to scrolling through and finding what you need, or using the map view, which is pretty useful as well.